Hello traders, here we are on the Brent oil trade. This is a trade update on the trade that we took earlier. How did it come about when we used the SMI and the VSA methodology along with trend correlation? We're going to be talking about this and more in this trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Tune Upon here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on the Brent oil trade. Now remember that we took this trade based on the stretch principle that you can watch from our previous videos as well, which is also uploaded onto our TradingView channel, Master the Markets 2010. You can see that where we took that 4 out of 5 part video series where we're talking about the stretch principle and aligning it with the VSA methodology. So what did we actually take a look over here? Just a quick recap over here. So we looked at the open price. What did we first do? We looked at the trend correlation between the time frames, right? So the daily was in a bottom to top move over here, as indicated by our bottom and top quantifications. And you can see that on the 4 hour as well, traders, what you can see over here, that we had another uptrend over here as well. And then we had a bottom to top move over there as well, right? So all that aligned with the daily time frame. So the 4 hour and the daily aligned together.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Finally, on the 1 hour time frame, what we then took a look was that the bottom got confirmed by this bar, the confirmation bar, which we then entered where the blue line is. And then what we also then did is we took a look at the VSA diamond as well, which was green as well. So it aligned. This VSA light, what it does is that it looks at volume and it looks at also price as well, so relative volume and price, and combines it all together and has made it into a really simple way of looking at either it is a green dot which will say on buying strength, or red which is towards selling, or in interim transition state which is the gray, right? So it does all that for you in a very simple way. So we use that along with the SMI methodology to capture those moves, and that's what we exactly did here. For those of you who haven't seen the full analysis, I highly recommend you watching the previous videos and the live trading session update video on this. So on top of that, then we combine the stretch principle over here as well, across the upper stretch with the volume backing over here, pushed it up to the upper stretch, made the BRO come towards that point, and then it hit our target over here at 77.35. However, as you can see over here, that as we were going along towards our target, it did retrace against us, right? So over here, so let me go on to the 15 minute. I'll show you what I mean. So in terms of the 15 minute, if you were to take a look at that trade, basically, we took it along over here, right? So it went up in our favor. But however, remember, I also mentioned that this is all unrealized profit. But what then happened is, traders, you see, then it started to come against you, right? So for those of the traders who don't have a really precise plan or not know why your strategy will continue to work or must be robust, some of them, the fear would have kicked in when it went against you, and all that unrealized profit diminished and it went towards the blue line over here. Now, that's where you'd have lost back all your confidence as well. But those of you who know what you're doing, especially based on this stretch principle, what we're talking about, aligning that with the SMI methodology and the VSA methodology as well, you would have stuck in with that trade just like what we did, and you would have seen it turn around, and then just in one bar, in a 1 15 minute bar, then it hit the target, okay? But you'd have gone through all of that, right? So that's why sometimes we advise um, our traders that don't even why you even need to look at the chart. I mean, if you're trading on a 1 hour time frame, just let it run, follow your plan, because you can't do anything to the market anyway. You can't move the market anyway, right? So that's what happened over here.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So it went against us, but then finally hit the target. Now, how much did we um, secure in this trade? What really happened? This is the blue line from here, 76.57 to 77.35, based on the 80% ATR range, based on the stretch principle, okay, and the BRO principle, which some of you are not sure what you can do, right, traders? You can take a look at our channel as well, Master the Markets 2010. You can see all the videos we have put over here. You can look at the 5-part video series where we're showing you everything, 4 out of 5. This was the previous Brent oil trade that we took before, which I'm updating you what happened to it, and then the 3 out of 5 and 2 out of 5 and 1 out of 5, all that. So watch those 5-part video series based on the stretch principle, and then you also understand what I'm really talking about here. But in terms of that, that's how we explain to you how we get all these targets on the 80% ATR range of the daily time frame. In terms of that, when you take a look, in terms of entry 76.57 to 77.35, that's about 81 cent gain or 81 points gain at one contract being 1,000 units. That would be $810. Okay. Now, if you bought 10 contracts, that would have been $8,100. Okay. But you see, the point is, traders, what I want you all to be wary of here is that as professionals, right, over here at Master the Markets, we don't want to, of course, beat around just because it's just one trade, making his profit or whatever. Remember, as professionals, you always take a look at cumulative, okay? And the only confidence that gets you to keep on taking trades like this going is why your strategy must continue to work. In other words, the edge. And your strategy construction is strong to produce sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies, okay? That's what it's all about. In fact, some of you who are following us on the 7 principles for or 7 steps, sorry, 7 steps to achieve consistent trading performance, you'll understand that as well. I highly recommend you guys also to watch those video series, which is under the stream section, where we're publishing all of that as well, one a week. So really great content here that we're publishing, all to help you towards achieving consistent performance. And the other thing I will tell you to take away from here also is, first thing is just not one trade. Don't think just in terms of one trade. Think cumulative as well, the age of your strategy. And the other thing is extract the principles, what we're teaching you here, and use that in your own strategy to help you trade with conviction and confidence. All right, traders, that's pretty much that from me on this trading video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.